Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place. Once open, make sure Explorer and Properties are visible. You need them now. Select the parts or the model you want to change. Use Ctrl+click for multiple picks. Then, with those parts selected, Set can collide to false in the Properties panel. This immediately removes collision for standard base parts. Make sure parts are not locked. If so, unlock them first. Once done, save the place to preserve the change. Next, you handle more complex scenarios. If you have a whole model, you can run a short script that iterates through model get descendants, and sets can collide to false for every base part. This is quick for repetitive work. For large numbers of objects or dynamic gameplay, use physics service. Create a collision group, assign parts to it, and mark that group pair as non-collidable. This is more performant and scalable. Make sure to set primary part if you need model-wide operations. Once configured, test in a safe play session to confirm behavior. Finally, you must test and finalize. Enter play or play here and observe the objects and characters. Confirm they pass through or ignore collisions as intended. If objects jitter or still collide, check that anchored or constraints aren't reintroducing forces and ensure mesh parts or terrain aren't set to collide. Save a version before broad changes so you can revert. If collisions persist, inspect collision group assignments, and running scripts that might reset can collide. Fixing those usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.